Nikola Corporation emerged with a bold vision. It wasn't just another startup, it was a company with a mission to change the world. It aimed to revolutionize the trucking industry by introducing cutting-edge technology and innovative designs. The company, founded in 2014, promised a future of zero-emission transportation. This was a bold promise at a time when the world was just beginning to understand the importance of sustainable practices. Its focus was on hydrogen fuel cell and battery electric trucks, technologies that were still in their infancy but held immense potential for reducing carbon footprints. This vision captured the imagination of investors who saw in Nikola a chance to be part of something revolutionary. Nikola quickly became a symbol of the growing electric vehicle market, a market that was gaining momentum as the world sought cleaner alternatives to fossil fuels. The company's name, a tribute to the renowned inventor Nikola Tesla, further fueled expectations. It was a name that evoked innovation, genius, and a relentless pursuit of progress. Nikola positioned itself as a key player in a future dominated by sustainable transportation. It wasn't just about building trucks, it was about creating a new paradigm for the industry. Nikola's early days were marked by ambitious plans. The company set out to achieve what many thought was impossible. The company unveiled sleek designs for its trucks, showcasing a blend of futuristic aesthetics and practical functionality. It boasted impressive performance figures and long ranges, promising to meet the demands of long-haul trucking while being environmentally friendly. Nikola aimed to build a network of hydrogen fueling stations, a critical infrastructure that would support its fleet of hydrogen-powered trucks. This would support its long-haul trucking ambitions, ensuring that its trucks could travel vast distances without compromising on efficiency or sustainability. The company's vision resonated with a world grappling with climate change. People were looking for solutions, and Nikola seemed to offer a viable path forward. It promised a cleaner alternative to diesel-powered trucks, which were notorious for their high emissions and environmental impact. This, coupled with the growing hype around electric vehicles, set the stage for Nikola's meteoric rise. The world was ready for change, and Nikola was at the forefront of this movement. However, behind the gleaming facade of futuristic trucks and grand promises lay a company navigating uncharted territory. The road ahead was fraught with challenges. The challenges of developing and commercializing hydrogen fuel cell technology were immense. It required significant investment in research and development, and the technology was still evolving. Nikola's ambitious timelines and bold pronouncements raised eyebrows among industry veterans. Many questioned whether the company could deliver on its promises. Yet the allure of a greener future, combined with the promise of significant returns, overshadowed these early concerns. Investors were willing to take the risk. Investors, eager to be part of the electric vehicle revolution, flocked to Nikola, driving its valuation to dizzying heights. The company's stock soared as excitement grew. The company's early success was fueled by a combination of factors. It wasn't just about the technology, it was about timing, vision, and a market ready for change. The increasing awareness of climate change created a demand for sustainable solutions. People were more conscious of their environmental impact and were looking for ways to reduce it. The success of Tesla, the electric vehicle industry trailblazer, demonstrated the potential of electric mobility. It showed that there was a market for innovative, sustainable transportation solutions. Nikola capitalized on this momentum. It positioned itself as a leader in the transition to a cleaner future. Leveraging the growing interest in green technology, it positioned itself as a key player in the transition to a cleaner future. The company's vision was clear, and it was determined to make it a reality. However, as the company grew, so did the scrutiny. The media and industry experts began to take a closer look at Nikola's claims and progress, leading to increased pressure on the company to deliver on its promises. Nikola's journey to prominence was nothing short of meteoric. The company, founded with a vision to revolutionize the transportation industry, quickly captured the imagination of investors and the public alike. The company's valuation soared, reaching tens of billions of dollars in a remarkably short period. Investors were drawn to Nikola's ambitious plans and the potential for significant returns. This surge was fueled by a wave of investor enthusiasm for electric vehicle companies, which were seen as the future of transportation. Nikola positioned itself as a leader in this burgeoning market. Nikola, with its ambitious goals and bold promises, became a darling of the stock market. Analysts and investors alike were captivated by the company's vision and potential. The company's stock price climbed steadily, driven by a series of announcements that painted a rosy picture of its future. Each new development seemed to add fuel to the fire of investor enthusiasm. Adding to the excitement were high-profile partnerships that Nikola secured. These collaborations were seen as endorsements of Nikola's technology and business model. The company announced collaborations with industry giants like General Motors, a move that significantly boosted its credibility. This partnership, announced in 2020, sent shockwaves through the automotive world. It was a clear signal that established players were taking Nikola seriously. GM, a veteran automaker with decades of experience, was betting on Nikola's potential to disrupt the industry. This partnership was seen as a validation of Nikola's technology and vision. The deal involved GM taking an 11% stake in Nikola, a significant investment that underscored the confidence GM had in Nikola's future. It also included plans for GM to manufacture Nikola's Badger pickup truck, a highly anticipated vehicle that promised to combine cutting-edge technology with rugged performance. This partnership seemed to validate Nikola's claims and further boosted investor confidence. The market responded positively, with Nikola's stock price continuing to rise. Beyond GM, Nikola also forged alliances with other established companies. These partnerships were crucial in building a robust ecosystem around Nikola's technology. It partnered with Anheuser-Busch, the brewing giant, to develop and deploy hydrogen-powered trucks for its distribution network. This collaboration was a significant step towards commercializing Nikola's technology. This deal was seen as a significant step towards commercializing Nikola's technology. It demonstrated the practical applications of Nikola's innovations and their potential to transform industries. These partnerships, combined with the company's ambitious plans, created an aura of inevitability around Nikola's success. Investors were eager to be part of what seemed like a revolutionary shift in the transportation sector. The company's founder and then executive chairman, Trevor Milton, played a crucial role in building this hype. His vision and charisma were instrumental in attracting attention and investment. A charismatic and outspoken figure, Milton used social media effectively to promote Nikola and its vision. He frequently shared updates on the company's progress, often making bold claims about its technology and future prospects. These updates kept investors and the public engaged and excited about Nikola's potential. Milton's pronouncements resonated with investors eager to be part of the electric vehicle revolution, further fueling Nikola's stock price surge. The company's narrative of innovation and disruption was compelling. However, this period of rapid growth and high-profile partnerships would soon be overshadowed by a series of controversies. Questions began to arise about the feasibility of Nikola's technology and the accuracy of its claims, casting a shadow over its meteoric rise. As Nikola basked in the limelight, enjoying the accolades and recognition from the industry, cracks began to appear in its carefully constructed facade. The company, which had been hailed as a pioneer in electric vehicle technology, was starting to show signs of underlying issues. Whispers of deception and concerns about the company's claims surfaced. Employees and industry insiders began to murmur about inconsistencies and potential overstatements in Nikola's public communications. Short-selling firms, known for their skeptical scrutiny of companies, started raising red flags. These firms, which profit from betting against companies, began to take a closer look at Nikola's operations and financial health. They questioned Nikola's technological capabilities and cast doubt on its ability to deliver on its promises. The ambitious timelines and bold claims made by the company were increasingly seen as unrealistic. These early warnings, often dismissed as market manipulation by Nikola's supporters, would later prove to be harbingers of a deeper crisis. The skepticism was not just limited to external analysts. Even within the company, there were growing doubts. One of the first major blows to Nikola's credibility came from Hindenburg Research, a short-selling firm. Known for their thorough investigations, Hindenburg's involvement signaled serious trouble. In September 2020, Hindenburg released a scathing report accusing Nikola of being an intricate fraud built on dozens of lies. The report was detailed and comprehensive, leaving little room for doubt. The report alleged that Nikola had misrepresented its technology, staged demonstrations, and made false claims about its progress. These allegations were backed by extensive documentation and insider testimonies. Hindenburg's accusations, supported by extensive evidence, sent shockwaves through the market. Investors who had once been confident in Nikola's vision were now faced with the possibility that they had been misled. Nikola initially denied the allegations, dismissing them as a malicious attack by short sellers seeking to profit from a decline in its stock price. The company's leadership attempted to reassure stakeholders, but the damage was already significant. However, the damage was done. The company's reputation, once sterling, was now tarnished. The trust that had been built over years was eroding rapidly. The Hindenburg report had sown seeds of doubt in the minds of investors. The stock price began to plummet, and the company's financial stability was called into question. The company's once unwavering narrative of innovation and disruption was now being questioned. Every claim and promise made by Nikola was under scrutiny. As scrutiny intensified, more inconsistencies and questionable practices came to light. Journalists and analysts dug deeper, uncovering further evidence that supported the allegations of deception. Media outlets began investigating Nikola's claims, uncovering further evidence that supported the allegations of deception. The story was no longer just about a single report, it was becoming a widespread investigation. The once celebrated partnerships came under closer examination, revealing that some were less substantial than initially portrayed. Agreements that had been touted as major milestones were now seen as tenuous at best. The company's future, once bright with promise, was now clouded with uncertainty. The path ahead was fraught with challenges, and the once promising vision of revolutionizing the transportation industry